Oh no, I was waiting for my cat. Come on, little kitty. Come on, girl.
Let go of the tree branch root. It's attached to the tree. Let go.
Oh. Come on.
Shasta is so scared of a thunderstorm that she crawled inside one of the stoves I'm working on. Oh, I am not believing this.
Come. Come, Theo. Come on, Lily. Come here. You're gonna have to go rescue her, Macy. Oh no. There you go. Oh.
Like a dolphin in the swamp. Shasta, what are you that scared of a thunderstorm? Huh? You better get out there. Oh gosh. I'm not believing this.
Is it rain? What is it? Oh, you are too cute.
Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it inside?
That's a good boy. You did it.